Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special to showcase that we will add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home decor. We were talking about the stunning silver candelabra set. In this video we will explore the beauty and the versatility of this timeless piece. So let's get started. Here at a folk, the magnificent silver candelabra set, crafted with utmost precision and attention to detail. This set is a masterpiece of design. Each candelabra features intricate silver work, making it a true work of art. What's great about this candelabra set is its versatility, where you are hosting a formal dinner party, creating a romantic ambiance, or simply want to add a touch of glamour to your living space. This set has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at these features. The set includes the 3 candelabras of varying heights, allowing you to create a visually appealing arrangement. The candle holders are designed to accommodate standard-sized candles, making it easy to find replacement when needed. The sturdy base provides stability, ensuring that your candelabras remain steady and secure. Now let's discuss some exciting ways to incorporate the silver candelabra set into your decor. Picture this: you place the tallest candelabra as a centerpiece on your dining table, flanked by the other 2 on either sides. The soft glow of candlelights will instantly transform your dining experience into a luxurious affair. If you have a metal piece, the candelabras will look absolutely stunning displayed there. The silver will catch the eye, creating a mesmerizing effect. Another idea is to use them as a focal point on the sideboard or console table in your entryway. It is an excellent way to greet your guests with a touch of opulence. Taking care of your silver candelabra set is essential to ensure its longevity. To maintain its radiant shine, gently clean it with a silver polishing cloth or a milled silver cleaner. But sure to handle the candelabras with care and store them in a dust-free environment. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching.